What's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog, and this is gonna be pumpkin carving vlog, which is gonna be the first time Tanya actually carves a pumpkin. So let's go and see what's going on. Whoa, the party has begun.
I got all the seeds right here.
Look at that. Did you choose your design yet?
Yes, she's about to trace it.
Hey, Elliot. What are you doing? You helping mommy?
No, it's just
No.
Okay, let's see. There is the design. And then looks like Ashley is working on hers. And Tanya has chosen this design. Whoa. It's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So what do you have to do?
So she has to take the black ones out. Okay. And then
Ready? Yeah, it's marks. Here, use your spoon to get them out of here.
and then these three. Take
You
them.
love that?
You have a lot of pumpkin.
It's a Batman design.
Okay, so you're gonna outline this, and then outline this, and then this.
And this?
No, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay. Let's.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's trace it.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh,
So look at that. Say hi, everyone. So Tanya is still tracing. Ashley is cleaning her pumpkin.
Touch it.
They are done cleaning, almost there.
Helping me here and cutting the top out. Look at the drawing. So all these seeds are gonna be roasted.
Yep.
Pumpkin seeds. Yay!
oh my god.
Oh my god.
So the seeds go in here.
How was the eye? Show me the picture. Where's the picture?
So we're taking out the seeds out from in there. Ooh.
Where did you get that thing off?
Huh?
This thing inside should have been a different one.
No, that's how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, that one is messed up because I messed it up. Yeah. I got a little too crazy. I know.
All done. Our pumpkin is empty.
I can now wash my hands and I can start carving.
They have already started carving over there. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, look at the seeds.
Now trim it up. You gotta clean all the
Now we're gonna carve ours.
Carving.
Yes.
Let's see it.
Where should I start? Start from here.
Yeah, just.
I know.
She's carving the big hand. Look at Marvel trying to get into.
Trying to help Marvel.
How far you are?
Trying it.
Do you want me to do it now?
No.
Look at that. The head is coming now.
Yes.
Careful, if you hit that center part, it will be one big eye instead of two eyes.
Like that one.
Look at that. That one is almost done. Whoa. That looks cool. Well, mommy's doing a pumpkin. Yes. She's doing a pumpkin for you. No,
don't come here.
Wrong, Babu. You can just sit here and see. And that one is looking good. Coming through. Marvel.
Marvel, no. Marvel, no.
Marvel,
no. Wrong.
You want to do it? Yes, wrong, Babu. You want to show your pumpkin? What did you carve?
I made a bat. Or a ghost.
Or a hybrid. A bat turned into a ghost.
Yes.
Where's Ashley's pumpkin? Yes, you want to show?
Over here.
So this is one pumpkin we made.
Whoa, you did a really good job there.
Yeah.
So it is like a pirate pumpkin. One of the eyes is gone. So, but yeah, we can call it a pirate pumpkin.
Yeah.
It looks good. It looks really good.
Looks like Marvel.
May you want to show yours?
Oh, that is
This
so cool.
looks so cool. A ghost in a pumpkin. Look at that.
That's the best.
I love it. Marvel, you want to show your pumpkin?
That is Marvel's pumpkin.
Wow, is this Marvel's pumpkin? No.
No.
Pumpkin carving is almost done here, but we are not gonna end this vlog yet because we're gonna lit our pumpkins in the night. We're gonna put the tops back, and that's
Then-
when we'll show you
Yeah.
how they look.
Final product.
Yep.
Mama, good job.
Yes.
Job.
And it's a good job.
Bending down very.
Good job, mommy.
Good job.
It's a good job, Bua.
Thank you.
Okay, people, here are our pumpkins. This is Mary, Tony, Elliot's pumpkin. Elliot, is this your pumpkin? Wow! That's a scary ghost. Whoa, that looks so cool. And then is our pirate pumpkin over here by Nitish and Ashley. And then Tanya's first carving right here. They came out so good.
Yeah.
Look at those pumpkins. That was fun.